హలో సార్, నమస్తే. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Same to you.
సార్, మీ నేమ్ ఏం చేస్తుంటారు?
My name is Sitaram Prasad. I've been working for a software company.
ఓకే.
So I've been working there like as a vice president like there. Yeah.
సో ఆప్టా క్యాటలిస్ట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది? మీరు ఏం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేశారు? ఈ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అందరికీ ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది?
This is absolutely amazing, ma'am. Like okay, because so it's the first of its kind, like happening in Hyderabad, and I have seen that. I'm surprised seeing that like many entrepreneurs from our community. So it is like okay, good to know that like people have been enjoying that. People have been like okay, experienced like okay with the from the learning from the elders, and also like they are sharing their like experience like okay with the, many of the budding entrepreneurs and all. Like okay, this is a great opportunity for each and everyone who wants to become an entrepreneur. Like okay.
న్యూ కమర్స్ కి, ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్స్ కి ఏ విధంగా ఈ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది అండ్ వాళ్ళకి మీరు ఏం సజెషన్స్ ఇస్తారు?
See, absolutely, ma'am. Like, okay, from a newcomer, like, okay, he has many things in many like okay, myths or like many like okay issues like in his mind. So he doesn't know that like whether to move forward, like in the terms of the finance, in terms of expertise, in terms of like okay people, like okay whether the people are available or not, whether like okay the technology is available or not, how to approach that like okay that one. But this is a great platform where they can get a lot of information from the like each and every experienced people, and also that like they can like okay take this forward like okay, and they get some confidence like okay they're saying that hey I know that like okay I know this like the process. So that's way that like okay it's a great platform like that.
ఓకే. సో న్యూ కమర్స్ కి మెయిన్ గా ఉండాల్సిన క్వాలిటీస్ ఏంటి బిజినెస్ పెట్టాలి అనుకుంటే కనుక?
See, first and foremost thing is like okay, first is like okay willingness to do the entrepreneurship. Like, that is the first thing. Like okay, I want to do something. Like okay, that has to be there, and then like okay that he has to gather all the resources. Like okay, resources in terms of the finance, in terms of the like okay people, in terms of the technology. These are the three ingredients like the what he has to look for. So once that like he gets that one, that's it. Like he can take off. Okay.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.